Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna talk about the best case for a program. What do we mean by best case for a program? Let me write a hypothetical program here. So this is a program, and a program contains statements, and there's just a couple of statements like statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, statement 4, and there are other statements too. Okay, a best case for a program is when the program had to run least possible number of statements. So let me write it down. Program ran least possible number of statements. Okay, the reason being for this explanation is that we know and we have seen, or we may have heard, like a program, there are programs that do lots of work, and there are simple programs. So for example, there is a program that just adds two numbers, okay, and stores it in a third variable, okay. And there is another program that just do this how should we say, like image recognition. So it has to like take this image, and then it has to convert it into like bits and bytes, and then it has to just analyze these images, and then it has to do lots of stuff like. And this program, as compared to this program over here, is really small, okay. And during the execution of these programs, different cases arises, okay. And a best case for a program would be the one where the program had to run least possible number of statements. Okay, so for example, let's say we have this program over here, and there was some case due to which the program ran only one statement S1, and it skipped all of these statements down. It never ran these statements. So I would say whatever that scenario was, whatever that cause was, or whatever that reason was, whatever that case was, that case that made this program to run just one statement, the least possible number of statement, was the best case. Okay, but if there is an opposite side too, there is a case that is the worst one, worst case for a program. A worst case for a program would be the one, let me clear this. A worst case for a program would be the one where the program ran maximum possible number of statements. Okay, so let's just take this program over here as an example, and let's just say, for whatever the cause was, whatever the reason was, whatever the scenario was, or whatever was it, the program ran all of these statements. The program had to run all of these statements. Then we would say whatever that case was that made the program to run all of these statements was the worst case, because the program had to run all of these statements. It took it much longer to execute or to give out the result. That's why we would say it was the worst case, because it took it much longer to just give you the result. Whereas in the best case is a case, or is an example, is an instance, is a reason where the program gave out the result instantly, or just it was really fast to just give out the result to you. Okay, so in the next videos we're gonna be talking about these best cases and worst cases in a more detail, or in a using a specific example. So yeah, thank you.